I'm Akshat Banga, student of MSc International Management from University of Southampton Delhi campus. I am placed in Deloitte South Asia Technology and Transformation Internship-Linked placement opportunity. I will be joining Deloitte on 19 Jan 2026. I feel that coming from a technical background in artificial intelligence, DevOps, and tools automation and cloud from my previous role in geo platforms has shaped me into a better individual and who is clear about how to utilize AI technologies and get into the world of AI, which is changing the future. So I feel that AI, being into this role and getting into Deloitte would definitely shape up my career and will boost up confidence and clarity in me. I would like to thank the University of Southampton, especially the placement team, and especially Monisha ma'am, who has continuously helped and shaped me throughout to grab this offer and shape my personality into a better individual who can become a successful future leader.